Thank you for purchasing your new AcuLight Pro. This video will give you basic instructions on how to put together your new AcuLight Pro. In the box, you should have received the following: a power cord, an adjustable arm, the powerful LED panel, the base of the device, eye protection, and 2 different sized hex keys. You'll also need to have your own screwdriver. First, you are going to insert the adjustable arm into the hole at the top of the base. Then, using your own screwdriver, you will tighten this screw where the arm was inserted. For this portion, you will need to use the larger hex key that came inside your box. With this hex key, you can tighten or loosen each pivot point of the arm. For this pivot point in the middle of the arm, you need to hold the screw at the bottom while adjusting it to your liking. Once you adjust the tension of the pivot points to your liking, you shouldn't need to adjust them again unless you choose to. To set a different height for the arm, you can loosen this second orange ring in a counterclockwise manner to raise or lower the arm to your preference. It's important to know that if you raise the arm too high, it will separate from the base like you see here. If that happens, you can simply slide it back in. So please be aware of that and be cautious while adjusting the height. Please note that if the orange ring is hard to unscrew, you can wiggle the arm or pole while unscrewing it like this. Now, you can install the LED panels. Here is where you connect the cable, and this part is what screws onto the arm. After inserting it here, you will screw it on. The tighter you screw it, the slower the LED panel will twist around. Then you can connect the cord to the LED panel here. Make sure you don't wiggle the connection and that it goes straight in or straight out if you ever remove it. You'll do the same thing at the other end of the cable to connect it to the base of the AcuLight Pro. Now you can plug the power into the back of the device, and then you can switch it on. The back 2 wheels have locking mechanisms that you can easily control with your feet. After turning it on, you'll see this screensaver. Tapping here takes you to the main screen. The default is set on the red wavelength. Tap Start to turn the light on. Then you can tap here to turn the intensity higher or lower. By tapping here, you can cycle through the 7 wavelengths. Tapping here, you can change the pattern of the lights if desired. It's recommended to keep this at the first setting because more people prefer for it to not blink. Here, you can make the timer longer or shorter. This button allows you to pause the procedure. Then you can tap Start to begin the procedure again. If you want to fully reset and stop the procedure, you can tap this back button here. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new AcuLight Pro.